more powerful conceptualization is to be accurate. And if when you perceive something, and if you're trying to reproduce a perception, right, then you should reproduce the perception the way it is, see? Which is real, there, and present, isn't it? See? That, boom. And so it has like a presence, so you haven't even got it, boom, like a presence in it, see, a reality to it, a there-ness to it, like it is when you perceive it. If object, we're talking about object, objective stuff here, whatever. See, and then if you work on it, you can get better. Now this one shows you how sloppy you are in your conceptualizations, and that includes listening to things said. That includes lots and lots of stuff. What happened, what was said, what occurred, blah, 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 blah. So you may get sloppy with it. And when you're sloppy with it, you make mistakes. You're always making mistakes. And most of the time people make so many mistakes they don't notice. Because nobody calls them on it, nobody cares. You see. And when it comes to your memory, unless you have feedback, unless you check it out, in contrast, comparison, how do you know? See, this is the way it is for you. It's like when somebody goes nuts, right? If they're delusional, and they remember something that didn't occur, or remember it in such a way that is not accurate, did not happen, you see? That is a permanent memory for them. That's the way they remember it. It won't ever not be, it will never not be real for them. Do you understand what I'm saying? See, they remember it as real, it will be real. I remember it, that actually happened. And they live in relationship to that actually happened. See? And what's not going to change. See? Just like your memories. You can sometimes grasp it. You're remembering things wrongly. And sometimes you might have had occasion, perhaps, that, you remember something. Maybe you remember a room with a green door on the left or something, and pink tulips out the window, I don't know. And then you go back to the place and you think, oh, well, the door is red and it's roses. And what? I was certain it was a green door on the left, but it's a red door on the right, and there's roses out there, not tulips. I could have sworn it was this other way, right? Has ever that happened to you? Have you ever noticed sometime you got something wrong? This is very good if you notice that you got something wrong. See, and how rare is that? It's rare because there's no feedback. It's unusual to find a time, that you have a memory and then go back and see that you're wrong. It can happen because places still exist, but events don't. And how are you going to know you were wrong about an event unless somebody brings up a videotape or something and you go, oh, I really thought.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.